Hello, so I'm not new to YouTube. I'm kind of old to YouTube. I do have another account, but I just can't log in, so that's okay. If you guys believe me, I am Cuties Club, okay? I am Cuties Club, completely Cuties Club. I'm not lying because I have the email and everything. Like, if you don't guys believe me, I'm serious. I'll be so mad if you don't believe me. Because I actually am her, and if you don't believe me, check my voice, because I completely have a voice here, and I'm not dumb. So, as you all know, I watched, SML, so that's okay with you guys. I always watch this, I don't know why. So, as I said in my first ever video, in my last video on my channel, that my new channel is XX, you can check by the voice, and the people who know my face, I will put it on, in a minute or something. I can't really do that now because I'm gonna have to end the recording because Screencast-O-Matic sucks. But let me just show you my channel. Just random email I did. So this is my thing. My channel. I have no videos because, like I said, I cannot log into my account. Okay, look. I'm gonna prove to you that it's not that I changed my username. It's this. My email is. I'm gonna expose my email, whether I like it or not. So my email is weezy123gems@gmail.com. You can It doesn't really matter if you see my email anyways, because it's kind of random, so I'm just going to comment on the video saying it's me. Oh my god, believe me. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's my new channel. I've got my laptop. I got my laptop back. Believe me. I can't log in or anything. It's annoying. Can't log in. Can't do anything. Please believe me. I'm using my real voice on a video. Watch it and see. Watch it and see. Watch it and see. There we go. I'm gonna show you guys proof that it's actually me. I'm gonna prove that I have an iPad. I have a different password to my iPad because I changed it to I don't know why I changed it. I have to change it back to what my postcode was. You don't really need to know that because I don't know why I changed it. I don't know why. It's just okay. See, watch this get pinned. Watch. This is my channel. You hear that? You hear that, you idiots? You don't believe me? Wait, let me just refresh. I'm gonna have to refresh the comments because, oh gosh. Sorry for the long wait. So, refresh the comments because YouTube hates me. Oh, come on. Okay, just screw it, okay? I'm gonna get this pinned, okay? I'm gonna prove to you guys that this is me. Alright, I did it again. But I'm lazy to edit it. So, yeah, if that's okay if you guys believe me, that's awesome, because it's just, if that's okay, if you guys just believe me for once, that'd be awesome. So if you guys don't believe me, then shut the hell up, get off my channel, please, because this is me. I'm not completely lying, because if I was lying, this wouldn't be pinned. I'm trying to get it pinned, but like, it's promoting. It's annoying when, wait, let's just, I think it's because I'm on the page and I'm not supposed to be on the page. Just fucking go. Bitch, what? It's not even. Okay, it's glitched. So what I can do to prove that I am her by doing this. Wait. No. Normally. What the hell? I just gotta prove to you guys that it's me. Like, no one will believe me that it's me, because yeah, like 5. There should be 5 comments. Let's show me 5. So this is a new laptop, and no one will ever believe me because they think I'm flipping fake and trying to steal her channel. Look, there's a reason why I'm like subscribed to my own channel for proof, and just I didn't use like computer for that. I actually use my mobile. That's why I know. Sorry. How is there 4 commenters?